Okay, so we're going to unpack and set up our new Panasonic MA117 Massage Chair. I'm kind of excited. This one really is going to look different. Panasonic's kind of diverging from their normal type and style. Yeah. This is going to be an easy assembly. Wow. So we have now revealed that Panasonic has made it even easier to set up their chair. That's pretty good. Interesting, there is a little plastic piece sticking out, so I was kind of scared to pull it out, but it's the cable. So
it's for the remote.
Right. But I wasn't sure what was going to happen when I pulled it. It's one of those secrets, like pull this and see what happens. Sure.
Yes.
Interesting.
So you see the two here, and then two here. So this comes down. Okay, let's get it off the. See if there's a handle.
Nope, it doesn't have a handle.
I'll just. Okay, let's go ahead and plug the power in.
Interesting.
Very neat chair. Very contemporary.
Definitely looks more furniture-like. All right, so as you could see, this is a very, very easy chair to set up. There's a few things we want to look at and get our first impression. So in our next video, we're going to accomplish that and see how we like this new Panasonic model. So if you have any questions, please contact us, call us, come visit us. But we're pretty excited about this new model. I think it's going to be great. Thanks.